Introducing the Gt63 in the white colorway. With the brushed aluminum paint, this thing looks clean. I'll start by mounting the rear spring. Next, we're going to grease up the front axle and slide the front wheel in. Attaching the front brakes with the two mounts, along with the pegs that surprisingly aren't already attached. Here we are mounting the handlebars, fenders, and the front headlight. It comes with two sets of keys, one to start the bike and second for its alarm system. Turn the key, hold the power button, and it's alive. The Gt63 just dropped on tstebike.com for $1,900. Use code LAW at checkout to save $100. The code works on all bikes. I'll put the link down below. Let's go over some of the specs on the bike. It has a 2200 watt motor with a 48 volt, 22.5 amp hour battery. And the website says it has 50 miles of range. It comes stock with these dirt knobby tires, which are really nice in the trails. Some really nice front and rear suspension. Front and rear moto style hydraulic brakes. Full twist throttle. And this really cool headlight. One of my favorite things on this bike are these fenders, which I've never really seen this design on any other e-bike. And something else that I really like are these detachable plastics. Here you can do easy repairs on the motor and easily take off the chain. Never really seen this feature on any other bike. And you pop it back just like this. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's go ride this thing. So to turn on the bike, turn on the key. Once the display is on, you can hit this plus button and go up in modes. All right, without further ado, let's go. Alright, first thoughts of the bike, the power is nice. The throttle has like very little delay since it is mid-drive, as you can see. Instant. Let's test out these shocks. Super soft. Now, what else I could say about the bike is that the riding position is very comfortable. The bars have like a nice little rise to them, and the pegs are a little further down than a regular pit bike. So look, if you can see, my legs are not even that bent. Super comfortable bike. Now there are a couple salt spots, so I do gotta be a little careful. I'm heading to this trail right now because this bike is mainly for the trails. It's for the street too, but since I have these knobby tires on, let's try some dirt. Damn, I love this throttle response. Let's test out these brakes. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Love them. And it pops right up. Let's try a little circuit wheelie right now. Easy. Balance point's really nice. I did take out the brake sensor, so I can do this. With a little bit of practice, I could wheelie so easily. I really like this nice long seat. It's super comfortable. I can feel like I can ride this for hours. Handle is really nice. Super well. I really have nothing bad to say about this bike. Yeah, brakes are super touchy. Easily locks up the rear wheel, easily. These knobbies should handle the dirt very, very well. And it does. That suspension is nice. All right. Some of these trails are a little muddy and a little sandy, but it should give us a nice little test. Let's hit this little berm right here. Yeah, these dirt knobbies are nice. Whew. This thing is sick. Yeah, this thing is perfect for the trails. Whew. It is a little sandy over here, so I'm gonna take my... Yeah, this thing is fun. I love these little pit bikes. They're a lot different than the full-sized e-bikes that I'm used to riding. I'm not the best trail rider, so don't flame me. This thing is sick. Alright, so final thoughts of the bike. This thing is fire. I love it. Super fun little pit bike, especially for the price, $1,900. And if you use code LAW, that's LAW, at tstebike.com, you get $100 off. Super happy with this bike. I'll leave the links down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anything else you guys want to see, any other videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.